welcome to Yoga with Rach. I'm Rach, thank you very much for joining me today. So today is Thursday the 7th of February if you're watching this video as it's gone up on my YouTube channel. So we had the new moon moving into Aquarius on Monday the 4th, and on Tuesday it was the Chinese New Year, also known as the Lunar New Year, so Happy New Year again. So the beauty with the Aquarius new moon, it marks that start of the new lunar calendar in the cycle of the new moon, in the cycle of the new year for the Chinese New Year when we move through the Chinese zodiac. So I will put a link in the description below for a little bit more on what we're moving into with the sign of the Earth Pig. But this video we're particularly focusing on moving out of our Capricorn series and moving into Aquarius. So Aquarius is the rebel. We've been playing with our sequence through Capricorn, and Capricorn is that lovely earth and stability, endurance, and Aquarius comes in, they're the rebel, they're air, they're the sign of the water bearer, so they've got the water, it's all very fluid. In Ayurveda it's all about Vata, that air and space and movement, and it's all about getting things done and just clearing that foundation that Capricorn's taken so long to set up. They go, no, we're going to have a go at doing it this way. So it's all about finding that element of freedom. So if you're feeling a little bit stuck at the moment, you might be needing to sort of quite literally find your wings and take flight in something, but don't leap off before you have all the information. So use that element of Capricorn of finding your information and setting that foundation, and then finding that element of taking flight and finding your truth. So the beautiful thing that we're going to do with our practice as we move through that new moon in Aquarius is stay with the element of the mudra. So the mudra is the hand gesture, and we're going to find that element of spreading our wings as we work with the Garunda Mudra, so the eagle mudra, like our Garundasana pose in our yoga practice. So finding a comfortable seat. And we're going to bring the left hand in, so the palm is facing into the heart. We make sure that the fingers are spread wide, thumb facing up. And then we bring the right hand in, palm is still facing in. Spread the fingertips nice and wide, and we bring the thumbs just gently together to touch. Let the shoulders, the arms relax. Feel free to close the eyes as you bring your awareness to your breath. So we're connecting into that element of air with not only the eagle, Garunda, but bringing our awareness to our heart center, the heart chakra, even though we're not necessarily focusing on that particularly through this sequence. It's also connected to the element of air. So we're honouring that as we start our sequence, our series with Aquarius, but we will be bringing in that element of water as well. So with this particular mudra, it's bringing that awareness of finding that freedom in your heart center. Freedom to speak your truth, your desire. If at any point you find the mind wanders, just bring your awareness back to your breath. You're welcome to stay seated in the Garunda Mudra for as long as feels comfortable for you. You might continue after this video has finished, you might then wish to move into a meditation practice or into an asana practice. If you haven't already, please do subscribe, and thank you for joining me for this new moon in Aquarius Garunda Mudra practice. Namaste.